I guess in this video I provide you Twitter X versus Bluesky. What's the difference? First, talk about decentralization. In Twitter X, it is a centralized platform where all content is controlled and managed by the company. Policies and moderation are decided by the platform. In Bluesky, decentralized meaning user can host their servers or join existing ones. This allows the greater freedom, choice in moderation and control over content visibility. Now talk about user verification. In Twitter X, offer a paid verification model with Twitter Blue. Now X Premium, giving verified user benefit like increased visibility, longer posts, and edit options. In Blue Sky does not currently offer a paid verification system. User profiles are tied to their domain names, providing transparency and authenticity through decentralized identifiers. Now talk about content moderation. In Twitter X, moderation is a platform driven with evolving policy that sometimes stir controversy due to inconsistent enforcement. Now talk about algorithms and feeds. In Twitter X, offer algorithmically curated timelines with promoted content and ads. User can switch between for you. Algorithm driven and following chronological views. In Blue Sky, focus on customizable feeds, allowing user to tailor their timelines based on their preferences. No ads are currently displayed. Now talk about features. In Twitter X, text, images, video, and live streams. Monetization for creators. Spaces live audio. Expanding character limits for paid users. Plan to integrate payments and shopping. In Blue Sky, text and image sharing. No ads or advanced monetization yet. Simpler interface focusing on the basics of social networking. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.